Dear students, in the previous episode we discussed first three theorems of that circle. The third theorem is what? The perpendicular from the circle, center of a circle to a chord bisect that chord. That is theorem number 3. The converse is the line from center of a circle to a chord bisect that chord. That line segment is perpendicular to the chord. That is, we can prove that PAM is equal to BM. That is the previous theorem. In this case, we can prove that angle at M is equal to 90 degree. The same figure AB equal OM, OA and O. Given that the M is the midpoint of AB, therefore AB, that is the proof. AB is a chord to a circle. A circle with the center O. OM bisect AB. We know that the AM is equal to BM. That is bisecting. That is given. Okay. OM is equal to OM. That is common. Clear? OA is equal to OB, their radius. Segment of the circle. Clear? Two sides, three sides. These three sides, that is OA is equal to OB, AM is equal to BM, OM is equal to OM. Therefore, side criteria, we know that the triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle OMA congruent. Triangle OMB, that is side criteria of congruence of triangles. Therefore, the corresponding parts are equal. That is, angles are equal. Therefore, angle OMA is equal to angle OMB. That is CP. We know that the angle OMA plus angle OMB is equal to 180. That is linear pair. Each angles are equal. Therefore, angle OMA plus angle OMA is equal to 180. That is, angle OMA is equal to 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Which implies that OM perpendicular to AB. That is the answer. Clear? That means the theorem is what? The line segment from center to a chord of a circle bisect that chord, then that is perpendicular to the chord. That is the theorem. Therefore, we know that AB is a proof. AB is a chord of a circle with center O. given that OM bisect AB, therefore MA is equal to MB, that is given. We know that OM is equal to OM, that is common. OA is equal to OB, they are the radius segments, they are equal. Therefore, triangle OMA congruent triangle OMB, that is side criteria of congruency. Therefore, angle OMA is equal to angle OMB, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That means these two angles are equal, but angle OMA plus angle OMB is equal to 180 degree because that will be part of a line segment. Therefore, it is linear pair. We know that angle OMB is equal to angle OMA. Therefore, angle OMA plus angle OMA is equal to 180 degree. That is 2 angle OMA is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle OMA is equal to 180 by 2 is 180 degree. That means OM perpendicular to AB. That is the converse of theorem number 3. Then theorem number 5. There is no proof for that theorem. There is only one circle passes through 3 given 3 non-collinear points. Non-collinear points means they are distant points. There is no proof for this theorem because this is the figure of that theorem. These are the points. A, B, C, O. M and F. Therefore, these two lengths are equal, these two lengths are equal, therefore that is a circle. Therefore, there are 3 non-collinear points. There is only one circle can be drawn. Therefore, O is the center of the circle. There is no proof of this theorem. Then theorem number 6. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. That is the 6th theorem. It is an important theorem. Then for the proof, let us consider a circle with the center O. There are equal chords. Are equidistant from the center. M. N. Draw these line segments only. We can prove that OM is equal to OM. That is our research. For that proof, AB and P2 are equal chords to the circle with center O. That is the given construction. We have to prove that OM is equal to OM. That is the result. OM this is equal to O. Then the answer is AB is equal to P2. That is given. Okay, they are given. We know that OM and OM bisect the chord. That is given. Therefore, AM is equal to half A and PN is equal to half P. AB and P2 are equal. Therefore, AM is equal to PN. Therefore, AM is equal to P. OA is equal to OP. That is radius. That is also given. And also we know that the angle OMA is equal to ONP. Angle OMA is equal to angle ONP is equal to 90 degree. It is also given. Therefore, on side and the hypotenuse of two triangles. Therefore, triangle OMA congruent triangle OMP. That is Arcus theorem. Therefore, OM is equal to OM. That is CB. That is the answer. Clear? That is, what is the theorem number says? Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. The proof of that one is AB and P2 are equal chords into a circle with the center O. That is given. Therefore, AB is equal to P2, it is given. We know that OM bisect AB and OM bisect P2. That is OM and OM bisect the chords. Therefore, AM is equal to half AB and PN is equal to half P2. AB and P2 are equal, therefore AM is equal to PN. We know that OA is equal to OP, they are the radius segments. And also angle OMA is equal to angle ONP is equal to 90 degree is also given. Therefore, triangle OMA congruent triangle ONP Clear? That means equal chords are equidistant from the center. That is theorem number 6. Then what is theorem number 7? Converse of this one. That is theorem number 7. Chords of a circle are equidistant from the center, comma, they are equal. That is theorem number 7. Chords of a circle are equidistant from the center, they are equal. Therefore, same reason, okay, given that OM is equal to OM, that is given. OA is equal to OP, that is also given. That is radius. Clear? Angle OMA is equal to angle OMP is equal to 90 degree. That is also given. Or chord or given. It is given. Therefore, hypotenuse are equal and one sides are equal and one angle is 90. Therefore, triangle OMA congruent triangle OMP, that is Arcus criteria. Therefore, AM is equal to PN, that is CPCT. We know that the AB is equal to 2AM. AM is equal to AM is equal to PM. AB is equal to AM and PQ is equal to PM. That is also given. Therefore, AM and PN are equal, therefore AB is equal to equal, which implies that AB is equal to PQ. That means AM is equal to PM, that means right side are equal, therefore left side are equal. That is the converse of this theorem. That means chords of a circle are equidistant from the center, comma, they are equal. That means AM, AB and PQ are the chords of the circle with the center O. Given that OM is equal to ON, that is it. OA is equal to OP, they are adjacent, they are also equal. We know that the angle OMJ is equal to angle OMP, which is at 90 degree. That is also given. That means the line segment from the center is perpendicular to the chord. That is given. Therefore, triangle OMA, congruent triangle Okay. Then there are several theorems for you in the next episode. Therefore, all these theorems, 7 theorems, there are only 6 theorems with proof. 1 theorem is without proof. Therefore, write all the theorems on your notebook and also study well. Okay. The remaining part of this chapter will be in the next episode.